Hello, and welcome to our video on the Emperor Tarot card. The Emperor is the fourth card in the major arcana of the tarot deck, and it represents a powerful and authoritative figure. In this video, we will explore the meaning, symbolism, and interpretation of this card, and provide you with some insights on how to interpret it in a tarot reading. The Emperor is typically depicted as a mature man sitting on a throne, holding a scepter in one hand and an orb in the other. He wears a crown, indicating his authority and power, and his robes are often adorned with symbols of strength, such as ram's heads or eagles. The Emperor is associated with the zodiac sign Aries, which is known for its assertiveness and confidence. The Emperor represents authority, structure, and stability. He embodies the qualities of leadership, discipline, and organization. When the Emperor appears in a tarot reading, it can indicate that the current needs to assert their authority and take charge of a situation. It can also suggest that the current needs to establish structure and order in their life, or that they should seek out a mentor or authority figure for guidance. The Emperor can also represent the father figure, or someone in a position of authority, such as a boss or government official. In a tarot reading, the Emperor can suggest that the current is dealing with an authoritative figure, or that they need to adopt a more authoritative approach to a situation. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the meaning and symbolism of the Emperor Tarot card. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.